noise cancellation feature is turned on.
Wherever you go, like Hi guys, I'm testing out my DJI Osmo Pocket right now. I'm happy with it, super duper happy. I think it's super worth it. And now let's test the microphone. How do I connect it? You just turn it on by pressing this one, and then you
A connection feature there. So I think it's already connected. So this one is not yet the noise cancellation feature, but just the normal microphone. And I think that my voice is louder and also clearer. But there is still noise because my fan is turned on right now. So you can hear it at the background. And yeah, I think it's clear. Let's see if it's also clear when I put it below my mouth. So, hi guys. Yeah, that is the sound with the microphone like below my mouth. If it's still clear, if it's still okay, let me know. For you to turn on the noise cancellation, you just need to press again the power button here. And then the first light that it will come, it will be blue. And then next would be the green one. The green one indicates noise cancellation feature is turned on. So how's the sound? I think it is pretty good. I'm not sure. I'm just so happy with my DJI. So I'm gonna put it again below my mouth. And Let me know if it could pick up still my voice.
This is the outdoor view of my condo, and let's see how it sounds with the microphone because the outside noise is loud.
Hi, so the microphone is turned on already. So this one is the noise cancellation feature. Let me know if it's good and you can hear me clearly. Hi. I think this is the normal mode of my microphone. So, hi guys. Now I can film and be active in my YouTube channel because of this DJI. So, yeah, so that is the testing of the microphone here outside with the noises of the car, the birds, the surrounding areas. So, yeah.
Bye guys. So that is the natural noise. So I want to compare the front camera of my iPhone and also this DJI, but it's too sunny outside. I'm not sure if I could take it, but here you go. This is the difference. I think that my color here in the iPhone 15 Pro Max is the realistic one. As you can see, I bought the magnetic one so I could put it anywhere and everywhere that I like. There you go. It's one thing I like about this one is that you could record yourself like walking and then it would track you immediately, as you can see. Whoa. 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 It could follow you wherever you go, like if I'm walking. Oh my gosh! See? Can it detect my dog's face? Let's see. It can also detect my dog's face. That's so good. Oh my gosh. I will be comparing the camera quality. So I recorded this one on 4K 60. All of the three devices are on 4K 60 and I'll be comparing their normal microphone. So this one is the iPhone 15 Pro Max and this is the sound of the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Let me know which one is clearer, which one is nicer, and also which one has crisp quality. So the DJI doesn't have the wide angle lens yet. So this is the wide angle. So this one is my baby boy. This one is baby boy Scotty. That's it.
Broken bottles, drinking problems I will never solve. Got bad habits, it's all in my blood, just ask my mom. Daddy issues, where's the tissues? Crying in ocean. I'm just kidding, I'm no little bitch, just having fun. If we were in the 90s, I'd be a rock star. Don't need no sports car to live the fast life. Cause I'm cooler than Paris and Nikki. Friends with Tupac and Biggie, riding around